So I've no idea if we're recording. So we've had a few days without being able to do anything. Stuck it on this EM27 because I ended up with a damaged wheel caused by that pothole not that long ago. Don't think we've got the angles right. Camera's flashing an error code. No idea why. Probably not going to have to do this again. Let's get to make a Chippie channel in case it is recording. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
My goodness, I've got that too loud. I've got a camera error code flashing. I don't know what it is, but it still says record.
Right, you still want to do the test now, and it's not actually recording?
Yes, Roger. I think we'll risk it, and then I'll plug in an extension speaker. Well, when I can find it.
Alright, let me know when you're ready.
Tango 21 ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing now, send recording.
Roger Dodger. Yes, I was just saying at the beginning, must have hit that pothole and it's finally had an effect. I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so just passing the entrance on the right to what will be the new doggy to take care and Woody's other entrance now.
Roger on that, that's fine, thank you.
Roger that, right, walking up to the end of the lane.
Roger Dodger.
I don't know where all that traffic's come from.
Is that what you're suffering from? Lots of traffic?
Yeah, just onto the main road now.
Roger Dodger, we're not late, so I wonder if the petrol station's open.
Negative, I can see from here it's not lit.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station. And guess what?
It's shut.
Roger. Yeah, pothole's still there, and you know it's not being marked for getting fixed or anything.
Oh dear. I mean, you can claim on insurance, but pay the first 300 quid. So I might as well spend 160 and out of my own pocket, haven't I? You can sue the council, but I can't imagine that being quick either.
Well, yeah, somebody mentioned that on a comment. You know, well, it might not be quick, but maybe it's worth looking into.
That's right. Oh, one thing, we've got video evidence because you're recording it on the air test at the time.
Yeah, as long as you can remember which one it was.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Right, we're past Ancaster Crossroads and we're coming up to the temporary traffic light.
Oh, that's still ongoing then.
Yep, looks that way. I'm pretty sure it's to do with putting utilities in at the new housing estate.
None of those houses are high enough up the hill to be worth buying.
No, that's right. And you probably wouldn't be allowed a white stick above rooftop level. Never mind an Antrim 99 or similar.
Oh yes, I'll stick to being in the middle of nowhere.
Roger. 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on an Amstrad CB901 and it's a Mark 1 early, made in Japan by Cybernet, using their 002 F chassis. It's a 4 watt output. I'm on a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
This is the £89.99 version. Not to be confused with the fake £29.99 version.
Roger. Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Passing the Kelby turn. Over. Roger, got you out the Kelby turn.
Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, I'm on this genuine Japanese CB901 Amstrad set, and he's doing 4 watt output, drawing 1.38 amps to do that. We'll drop it to low power, and if I could just reach for the paperwork. No, he isn't going to come down and see me. I think it was 280 milliwatts on low power, so we'll just drop it to low power now. There we're on low power. The register is 280 milliwatts and drawing 520 milliamps of power. So that's full power. There we are back at 4 watts, over.
Yep, roger that. Received you on both. On 4 power, it's now oscillating between the 4 and 2 bars on the S meter, and on low power, you were a bit noisy. There's a bit of conditions tonight are a bit, or it's not as good.
Okay, Roger. On that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 144.9, 153.9.
Okay, well that concludes this test, thank you, and I'll find out whether anything recorded and what error code 13.01 means. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Now I bet that petrol station's open, so have you got a price please, over?
Yep, 144.9, 153.9.
Okay, well that concludes the test, thank you, and I'll find out whether anything recorded and what error code 13.01 means. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Okay, that worked absolutely great. So we'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the genuine 1981 Cybernet 002F chassis Japanese version of the Amstrad 901 into our Midland 76900 base station, also made by Cybernet. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm on a standard replacement mic. And there we are. We'll go to low power just in case there's a hum. There's low power at 280 milliwatts as a hum test. And back to full power. So I know that we've got one of those band Taiwanese 3 amp power supplies to look at.